so let's do some math. Welcome to day 25. Okay, 9 times 8 equals n. So n, that's what we call a variable. And when we start doing algebra, when you get older, you're going to see a lot more of that. But right now, don't worry, because you know what 9 times 8 is. And even if you don't, you have your handy chart here. 9 times 8. 72. So we're not just going to write 72. We're going to write n is equal to 72. Right? Because it's asking us when that n is there, that's saying what does n equal? What is n? And 9 times 8 is going to tell us what that is, 72. Okay. How many right angles are in a triangle? Well, let's draw a triangle. Not a triangle, a rectangle, excuse me. How many right angles in a rectangle? Okay, so each square here is a rectangle, but let's do this. Okay, there's our rectangle. Let's even shade it in so we can see it a bit better. Okay, so there's our rectangle. How many right angles? So each corner is an angle, right? And a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a right angle. So when we say how many right angles are in a rectangle, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles in a rectangle, because a right angle is 90 degrees and there are 4 90-degree angles. How many records were sold on Friday, using the graph for number 3 and number 4? Okay. Well, let's take a look here. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4.5. But that's not right. That's not how many records are being sold. Because we got to look at this. This is very important, because each circle represents 10 records. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40.5. Half of 10 is 5, right? So 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 45 records. What was the total record sales from Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday? Okay, so let's do it one step at a time. Let's start with Monday. Monday is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we're going to write 50 right here. Tuesday, 10, 20, 40. And Thursday, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 again. So we're going to add this up. 50 plus 40 plus 50. Okay, well, 5 times 4 is 9, plus 5 is 14. And add a 0. 140 records. Okay, write greater than or less than. So let's start here. The number in the thousands place. What is bigger, 2 or 1? 2 is bigger than 1, so that tells us that this number is greater than this number. And remember, when we say greater than, open end, closest to the bigger number. Okay. Subtraction. Can we subtract 4 from 7? Nope. Can we subtract 3 from 6? Nope. Can we subtract 6 from 2? Yes. 6 becomes 5. Okay. And then 3 becomes 13. We got to borrow, so that becomes 12. And 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down our comma. And 7 minus 6 is 1. 1,367. Finally, Sean has some marbles. As he walked to school, 15 fell out of his bag. When he got to school, only 17 were left. How many did he get with? Okay, well, let's do this. So he has 17. Okay, before he left school, how many did he start with? He had 15 more than 17. So we're going to add 17 and 15 to find out how many he started with. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. 32 marbles is how many he started with. Fantastic. Day 26. Okay, so this is a interesting question. What times 4 will give us 36? What times 4 will give us 36? Okay, that'll help you out there. Write the standard number. Okay. Remember what each of these stand for, right? We're going to do, looks like hundreds in each block. So 100, 200, 10, 20, and so forth, and ones. Let's do that. Okay. Subtraction. 4003 minus 1695. Addition, long addition. How many quarters make $1.50? Just add up your quarters, 25, 50, and so on. Which number is the quotient? Interesting. Quotient in the problem. Well, quotient is the answer when you divide. The answer when you divide. So, what number is the answer when you divide 15 by 3? Carlos has 42 tomato plants. He plants 7 in each row. How many rows will he have? That's a multiplication problem. All right. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.